Do you know that some people are being paid every single month by the government? Free money. How? That's what this investment banker is about to show you. Welcome to the Financial Women's Circle. On this channel, we are all about passive income, investments, growing our money. If that's your kind of vibe, hit the subscribe button right away. How do some people get paid by the government every single month? They invest in FGN savings bond. Don't worry, later in this video, I'm going to share my screen and walk you step by step on how you too can invest and also start earning. Whether you have 5,000 naira, 5 million, any amount you have, I got you. Make sure you watch to the end. So first off, what is FGN savings bond? This is an investment offer from the federal government of Nigeria. The plan is to help us save. So it can come in two different tenors. You can invest for 2 years or 3 years. That means now when you put in your money, you go and relax. And the interest on it is being paid 4 times in a year. So every quarter you're getting paid by the government. But there's a way you can do it and you'll be receiving payment every month. Don't worry, we are going to discuss all of that on this video. So and another thing you should know, the interest varies, okay? I think last month it was about 18%, and today the one for this month just opened. Don't worry, I'm going to show you all of that. Like I mentioned before, the minimum amount is 5,000 naira. With as little as that you can invest, and you can invest as high as 50 million naira. That is the maximum. It comes up once every month. So first week of every month the government will open it up, and like today the one for this month is going live. And the ones never it opens, you have like 5 days. Usually open on Monday, so between Monday to Friday, so you have the opportunity to invest in it. So let me walk you through what a typical savings bond looks like using this month's offer. So offer for subscription, what we are seeing right now is the one for July from the debt management office. They are the one that handle it on behalf of the government. So you can see, if you scroll down, federal government of Nigerian savings bond, the one for 2 years has 16.668%. The one for 3 years, the interest is 17.668%. That shows you that the longer tenor has higher interest. And most times I go for 3 years. No, what this means is when you put your money, you'll be receiving the interest. Then at the end of 2 years or at the end of 3 years, you will get back the capital you invested. Yes, you eat your cake and have it again. Okay, let's keep going. So the opening date is July 1, and then the closing date is July 5. So you have between 5, like I said, 5 days for you to key into the investment. Coupon payment date. Coupon is the interest, and like I said, it's paid 4 times in a year. Like this one now, the coupon will be paid in October, in January, April, and July every year. You'll be getting it in this month. Let's be honest, people pay for this information and I don't blame them, but I'm happy to do it for free. The cocoa is that we blow together. But one thing I'm going to request from you, which is absolutely free, is to please like this video. If you've not done so, just hit the thumbs up. It's going to help YouTube know that we are doing something here, and they will spread the video to more people. Let's grow our channel together. To be able to start any monthly from FGN savings bond, all you have to do is to invest for at least 3 different months. I'm going to go right into my screen now to share it and show you first how you calculate your interest. Like if you invest 100,000, if you invest 5,000, how much interest are you going to gain? And again, I will show you another calculator that will help you to see how you can arrange these things, the number of months you should invest, and you see how the interest payments will be coming in every single month. Let's do that right away. So this is the FGN savings bond interest calculator. Now let me show you how you can calculate your interest. Let's assume that you want to invest 1 million naira, okay, in this ongoing offer. For 3 years, this is the interest rate. You saw it on earlier when I shared it. So for each year, you are going to get 176,680, but it's going to be divided and be paid to you every quarter. Okay, you'll be getting this payment every quarter. So at the end of every year, this is the amount you are going to get: 530,040. Okay, so let's say you don't have up to 1 million, you have like 100k, and you want to invest this for 3 years as well. Let's see what your interest payment is going to be. So here the amount to be invested is 100,000 for 3 years. You see, your yearly interest is going to be 17,668, and that means each quarter you'll be getting 4,417. At the end of the 3 years, your total payment from the government will be 53,000. Even 5,000 naira, when you invest 5,000 naira, see, your yearly interest will be 883, and then your quarterly interest is 220. It depends on where you are. You can start from where you are. For some people, it's 5,000 they can afford now, and that is fine. Go ahead and do it. With time, you'll be growing your investment. Okay, now let's go and see How do you structure it? How do you arrange it in a way that every month you'll be getting paid by the government? I'm going to go back to the screen now and show you. It's possible. Just invest for a minimum of 3 months and your monthly interest will be coming up. Let's go back to my screen and see. Now, this is the calculator for when you want to know how you can be getting paid monthly. This is now is July. Let's say in July you invested 1 million naira, okay? And at the interest rate right now is 17 points. That interest rate we saw, 17 points. Yeah, this. Your quarterly interest rate will be 44,170. In October, you receive this payment. After 3 months, you will receive. After another 3 months in April, you will receive it. So let's say that next month, you also want to do again 1 million naira. Can you see? This one, like, we assume that the interest rate has dropped to 16%, right? Now, your quarterly payment is 40,000 each. Every quarter, this one will now start from November, because August, September, October, November, that is 3 months. That's when you will start getting the interest on that. So in November, you will be paid. February, you will be paid. May, you will be paid. And August. That is how you'll be getting paid every single month. Now, let's say finally in September again, you have 1 million naira to invest. Oh, I wrote 10 million. We claim it. So let's assume in September, you are investing 10 million. And the interest rate has gone up to 18%. That means every quarter you'll be getting paid 450,000. Imagine being paid 450,000 every month from the government every quarter. It depends on how much you invest. There are some people that get paid like up to 1 million because they invested a huge volume. But like I said, start from where you are. So now that means in December you'll be paid, in March you'll be paid, and in June you will also be paid. Have you seen something here? Now this is October, you receive the payments here for the one you did in July. This is November, you receive the payment for the one you did in August. The same is December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. You are getting paid from the government every single month. And that is how it is. That is how people are making money from this. This calculator, if you're in the World Business Academy, you're going to get it. If you've not joined us, just go to the description and join right away, because this calculator is free of charge for our academy students. Are you mind blown yet? People are earning back to back from this thing every single month. The thing is that many people don't know, but now you're a part of this community, you're on this channel. So I'm going to be sharing all the opportunities there is to invest. So this is the perfect time to subscribe to this channel if you've not. Offers like this come up from time to time: savings bond, commercial paper, treasury bill. I will try as much as possible to share them with you, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post a video, you can go and watch before the offer disappears, because this one now by Friday is disappearing. Now you are gingered. How do you invest in this FGN savings bond? You need a stockbroker. This is a chartered stockbroker right here. But you need a brokerage house. There is a subscription form you will fill. When you fill the form, you give your details. I'm going to share it on the screen, what the form looks like, your BVN, and your account details. That is where the interest will be paid to you, because the government will be paying you direct, okay? Then you make your payment and submit. But I think AfriInvest has a link you can use and fill the form and submit virtually to them. Let me know in the comments if you want the link. I'll go and research it. I'll go and get the link and share with you. So if you need the link, just comment share link or send me link, Jenny, and I'm going to reply you with the link. So just follow the link, look at the brief, and get started. But if you are in our World Business Academy, don't worry now, you don't know how you do it. In this academy, we are all about holding your hand to guide you to invest in this thing. So if you're on the academy, just go to the group. You will see all the details you need. And if you've not joined us, why? Go to the details, see the link, join the academy. It's a 3-week online school where we help you, guide you on how you can invest in these offers. And that is how you can invest and earn monthly from the FGN savings bond. Passive income opportunities here in Nigeria. So after watching this video, you know what to do. Now you know how to do it. And I need you to do something else after this video. This is because savings bond is just one out of the many investments you can do as a beginner. And I have recorded a previous video on that. I'm going to link it either up here or check the description. I will drop that video. Different investments you can make as a beginner. A very short video showing you the opportunities available. You see, this year we are securing this bag. I will not let you people be until you are on your way to smashing your money goals. So go to the description and pick up the video and watch it and see other investment opportunities available to you. Let me know if there is anything, any topic you want me to make a video on to explain to you further. Why not bring it up? Comment in the comment section, or any finance or investment term you've had somewhere you don't know what it is, money cheerleader is for you. Let me know in the comments now, and then I'm going to see you on the next video. I mentioned different 5 investment opportunities for beginners. Let's see you there. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video has been helpful.